Start.
Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students, today our topic is concept of religion. Dear students, there is no universal social explanation of the religion, because the nature of religion is very complex. Every person has its own views about the religion. Meaning of religion given by one person generally are not accepted by the others. All they just accept the one thing, that religion exists everywhere and it is a universal. But what it is, they have the different opinions, they have the different views about the religion. All says that one of the important element of human society is the religion, which comes automatically. Dear students, religion and morality are the important means of social control. Religion is a universal institution which exists everywhere in every age of history. In ancient times, religion was considered as a means of social control, but yet today, societies are modern and complex, but the effect of religion as a social control has not reduced. Dear students, while making the law, religion, customs and perceptions are also kept in consideration. No law is enforced upon the people if it is against the religion. Dear students, religion is the both power of integration and disintegration. On one side, it integrates the different religions. On the other side, it creates the difference among the different religious groups. Dear students, in its literal meaning, the concept of religion is unity and equality. Religion word is made of two Latin words, re and lag. Lager. Re means again, lager means tied together. So the meaning of religion is bind together. Dear students, different sociologists define the religion in their different ways. According to Emile Durkheim, religion is a unified system of beliefs related to sacred things which unite into one single moral community. According to McLever, religion as we understand the term implies a relationship not merely between man and man, but also between man and some higher power. Dear students, in short, religion is nothing but faith in any supernatural power which is beyond our existence and imaginary. It is the respect for all powerful Almighty. Dear students, this is the concept of the religion. Religion has many characteristics. Number one, belief in supernatural power is there in religion. Number two, many rituals are there in religion. Number three, many methods are there in religion. Last and important, which is every religion has its own sample religion. Dear students, this is all about the today's topic. Okay, thank you.